If babies came with a mission statement, it would read something like, cry when bored, scream louder in the car, only nap when parents make plans. Welcome to parenthood, where your 2am Google search history includes, why does my newborn stare at the ceiling fan like it's giving life advice? Today in this video, we're unboxing the Joyreal Black and White Montessori Sensory Set, the ultimate calm creator for babies 0-12 months. Think of it as tiny human entertainment and parent survival equipment all in one box. As soon as you open the box, there's a sigh of relief. No batteries, no flashing circus lights, no electronic jingles destined to haunt you at 3 a.m. Instead, everything feels intentional, calm, elegant, and developmentally thoughtful, like a toy set curated by a team of pediatric specialists who also understand that parents occasionally just need one uninterrupted coffee sip. You instantly feel like a Montessori parent who knows what they're doing, even if your reality 5 minutes ago was Googling how to fold a swaddle without quitting. It feels like you just unlocked a VIP membership to peaceful parenting mode. Even your baby looks impressed, or maybe that's just their hungry face again. Who knows? Inside, you find a beautifully designed stroller and car seat spiral mobile, soft high-contrast sensory book, gentle rattles, black and white flashcards, a shiny crinkle foil blanket, and sensory ribbon toys. Each item has a purpose, and together they offer a full baby development toolkit. It has just enough excitement to spark curiosity, but not so much stimulation that your baby goes into hyperactive hummingbird mode. If you've ever regretted buying toys that sound like techno parades, this soft sensory bundle will feel like therapy. And honestly, it's refreshing to finally open a baby product that doesn't scream chaos. Instead, it gently says, relax, I got you. Why black and white? Because babies don't come with HD vision installed. In the early months, their eyesight is still developing, and they see best in high contrast. While pastel toys look Instagram cute, newborn brains respond strongly to bold black and white patterns. That's how neural pathways strengthen and visual focus improves. This set taps into that science perfectly. It isn't designed to entertain through chaos. It's built to nurture your baby's natural curiosity. Think of it as a gym membership for your baby's brain, without the monthly fees or neon resistance bands. It's simple science in action, and yes, it's kind of satisfying knowing you're encouraging development instead of just hoping Baby Shark saves the day again. The first star of the unboxing is the car seat and stroller mobile. You gently wrap it around your stroller bar or car seat handle, and suddenly your baby has something meaningful to focus on other than plotting their next scream session. The patterns are crisp, bold, and engaging, encouraging babies to track motion, reach out, and stay visually focused. Car ride fussiness, reduced. Grocery shopping meltdowns, delayed. Stroller walks? Now scientifically stimulating instead of just getting fresh air while baby judges leaves. It's like handing them their first mini entertainment system without screens, without noise, and without regret. And parents, you now have a secret weapon for peaceful travel, hallelujah. Next is the rattle, not the annoying kind that sounds like someone shaking a jar of marbles, but a soft, baby-friendly rattle that encourages grip development, cause and effect learning, and sensory exploration. Babies shake it proudly, like they're headlining a tiny concert tour. That gentle click-clack sound is subtle enough that you won't contemplate throwing it out the window during hour 3 of play. And yes, babies will try to eat it, because in their world, chewing equals learning. Montessori calls it sensory oral development. You call it, my baby thinks everything is food. Fortunately, it's soft, safe, and drool approved, which means no panic every time they shove it in their mouth like a teething champion. Then you meet the Soft Cloth Book, a genius toy in baby world. Babies love flipping soft pages, staring at patterns, and hearing that soft crinkle noise. It's tummy time gold. No more betrayed baby face when you place them on their belly. Suddenly, they have a mission. Stare, try to grab, kick legs dramatically, like they're auditioning for baby ballet. And when you use this for bonding moments, reading in a soothing tone, tracing shapes with their tiny hands, it feels like a calm and intentional parenting moment instead of just survival mode. Plus, it feels good knowing you're reading to your baby even if they're mostly just chewing page 3 like it's a gourmet snack. The sensory flashcards are where the set shows off its thoughtful Montessori design. You prop them near baby during tummy time, or attach them where they can see them while lying down. Babies stare like they've discovered ancient secrets. These cards help train visual tracking and focus two crucial early skills. Watching a newborn follow patterns with their eyes feels like seeing their little brain switch on. And the best part? It makes tummy time far less dramatic. Instead of screaming like you placed them on lava, they actually have something to look at other than your desperate supportive cheering. Suddenly, tummy time becomes detective time, and your tiny investigator is fully invested. Ah yes, the foil crinkle blanket, the underrated star. Babies love shiny things and babies love noise. This blanket provides both in a calm, sensory-safe way. You crinkle it and their eyes widen like you just told them bedtime is canceled. It becomes a crinkle, grab, kick, chew experience that develops tactile sensitivity, hearing awareness, and motor coordination. And honestly, watching them lose their little minds over a shiny blanket is hilarious and adorable. Be prepared once they discover this. They may act like it's the most exciting object on planet Earth. Netflix for babies? This blanket comes close. Every toy in this kit has a milestone purpose. From 0-3 months, babies work on focusing and tracking the patterns in the mobile and cards. From 3-6 months, they begin reaching, grabbing, and shaking the rattle and exploring textures. From 6-12 months, they start flipping book pages, pointing at flashcards, and engaging with sensory materials more intentionally. This kit grows with them, rather than becoming useless after 3 weeks, like many baby toys do. And no, you don't need a fancy playroom or Pinterest setup for this. The joy of Montessori toys is simplicity. Put the toys near your baby and watch them naturally explore and learn. Meanwhile, you can take a proud sip of coffee and pretend you have everything under control. If you're already imagining your baby happily exploring this set and imagining yourself enjoying 30 blessed seconds of peace, here's the link to check it out. Let's keep going. Because yes, this toy set is great for the baby, but it's also a silent gift for parents. No loud plastic singing, no overstimulation, and no mess explosion. The neutral design fits in your home aesthetic instead of screaming, daycare chaos. Guests will walk in and say, "Oh wow, Montessori." You will nod humbly, pretending you didn't just learn what Montessori really meant recently. This set gives you intellectual parent energy. Premium, calm, intentional. Even if earlier you were wiping banana puree out of your hair. The biggest advantage of this set is that it encourages real developmental progress. Babies build focus, patience, motor control, visual strength, and independent curiosity. Independent play is priceless. That's when you get to breathe. That's when you get to remember who you are, beyond milk provider and human rocking chair. There's humor in parenthood, and toys like this make that humor possible instead of overwhelming you. Babies are geniuses at noticing everything, except when you desperately need them to notice something. This set grabs their attention in a peaceful, brain-supporting way. You get a calmer baby. They get smarter. Everybody wins. And yes, you might even get to finish your coffee before it turns cold. Revolutionary. Bottom line, in a world full of loud, flashy, battery-hungry baby toys, the Joyreal Sensory Set is a calm, smart, and genuinely developmental choice. It supports learning, keeps your baby focused and happy, and gives you a moment to breathe. Meaningful play for them, Sanity for you, that's a win in every parent's book. If you're ready to bring a little peace, learning, and sanity into your home, you can grab yours right here. Thanks for watching. May your coffee stay warm, your baby stay happily distracted, and your sanity remain intact. Hit like, subscribe for more real parent reviews, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully after a nap.